What's up, everybody out here at a commercial account of mine, Plett Optometry in Turlock. The owner gave me approval to do a video. I actually want to give them a big shout out because they actually took care of me as a client a little bit before I started cleaning their carpets. And I have kind of bad vision, and they did contacts for me, and gonna get some glasses done when those are due to be updated. But I have to say they did a fantastic job. I'm back to 20/20 vision with these contacts. They got me a good setup with a year's supply worth. And he was actually here not that long ago. It's past 8 o'clock right now. He had a client that needed an emergency check of his vision. Thought that was really cool that he came in to do that for somebody. So I would highly suggest, if you're in this area, 209 area or around Turlock, to get in touch with Plett Optometry. They're on 1001 Colorado Avenue here in Turlock. These guys are awesome. It's a family-owned business, which is another plus in my book, because that's what Black Diamond Services is. It's family-owned. My wife and I operate it. We have house cleaning and, of course, as you can see, carpet cleaning. So nothing beats a solid husband and wife team. So I wanted to show you real quick their cards. Jacob is the one that was here earlier. Lindsay is actually the one that took care of my vision. It was pretty quick and easy for them to do it, and I have no complaints. So tonight's job, commercial carpet in their office. And I'm just walking back towards my little pop-up door. My van is, you can't see it because my van's wrapped and it's happens to be black, just like my colors here. But it's far away from the door, but just to be safe, I put this pop-up door here. So that way there's no risk of carbon monoxide getting in as easily as it would if I had to have this door wide open without one of these. So I will shout out to Truck Mount Forums for my pop-up door. This thing is amazing. I will have to put a link in the description if you want to get one, if you are actually a carpet cleaner. But I'm about a little over 2/3 of the way done with this job. So yeah, that's all I wanted to go over. Just doing some work for an awesome company. Really appreciate them. So shout out to Plett Optometry. If you're in the Turlock area, get in touch with these guys. They'll take care of you. Alright, everybody, have a great day.